get our cab view. Wow, this is so cool. Okay, go ahead and hit 2. These are nice. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I definitely do.
Where are we meeting?
The lobby.
Should have met him on too.
It's on 2. Oh, sorry.
Come on.
No, you're fine, you fit.
How you all doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Good. Where y'all heading to?
We're gonna go see Nate Bargatze tonight.
One person I've asked.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Have you seen him?
No.
He's very funny.
I heard he was.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Have
that's
a good night.
Check it out.
I'm just going for one.
Yeah, let's go to 1.
Oh, okay.
It's this
Oh,
one.
sorry. Nice one.
It's your first elevator ride.
Let's switch sides.
Go up to 15.
All right. I'm gonna get on your side.
Okay.
Hi. There we go. Yeah, these are going to be very busy today, huh?
Yes, they are.
Let's just get off at like 10.
Okay.
So I think it's going to stop at every floor again.
Yep.
Well, it's stop at every floor,
That
but
looks like the original floor indicator up there.
oh,
Because I remember the first time I rode these had innovation fixtures.
nice. Okay, let's get off here.
Yep.
That's it.